stop doing everything in your business, right? If you're new here, my name is Jordan Aubrey. It's Real Estate Investing Done Right, where we talk about all things real estate, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. But ultimately, I need you to stop doing everything in your business. It's absolutely killing you because there's only so much you can do as one person. And I'm gonna show you exactly why. Let's jump into it. So obviously, you see what I've drawn here on the board. Obviously, this is you, right? These are daily tasks. This is you right there in the middle. And it's absolutely killing you, right? If I don't care what business you got multiple places in your business, right? You got customer service, or you got to talk to the customer after you already made the sale. You got sales. You got data entry. This is for real estate investors, obviously. Any kind of marketing. This is for any business. Right? Marketing, sales, customer service, refunds, returns. Right? Anything that you have in your business, obviously all of this is essential. All these tasks need to be done, right? And I would even put creator right here, because depending on what you do and depending on what your business is, you may be a creator in your business, right? You may be the person that comes out and put out all the content and have everybody else handling back end transactions, right? You got closing / transactions. And when I'm talking about that, talking about somebody got to run the register, somebody got to collect the checks, somebody got to save, somebody got to be the bank and the accountant, somebody got to cut the checks, right? All entrepreneurs, you got this many tasks you got on you right now, right? Now, some of these tasks, as far as marketer, you might want to outsource this, right? These tasks need to be outsourced. I'm going to tell you, if you don't fire yourself, you're going to end up in a position that's going to leave you struggling, always wanting more, in a position where you're overworked and underpaid, right? Because there's only so much you can do as one person. So it takes a team effort, right? So for instance, like I said, creator, if you're a creator in your business, say you're doing a consulting business and you're the creator, you're the main person, right? Essentially, your main job needs to be creating. That's what it needs to be. But look at this, on a daily basis, if you got to do the marketing, creating, returns, customer service, transactions, cutting the checks, sales, and the data entry, right? Essentially, you go all these places in one day, leaves you right here. You haven't even moved a bit. So literally, you're on year one for the 4th year. You're on year one for the 5th year. You're on year one for the 10th year because you can't fire yourself, right? This is what all business owners need to do. They need to fire themselves. And the reason why is because it allows them to go someplace further and faster. So we're talking about being a creator. If you're just a creator, if you eliminate all these tasks, and we just eliminate all these tasks, right? And we're just a creator. Now we don't have to go just this far in our business. We can keep going. Right? From the creator standpoint, you can just keep going. That's why when I delegate tasks to my certain VAs, I give them one job. I don't give them all the jobs. I just want to do that one job extremely well. It's just like when I play sports, right? We had all these different positions on the field. Well, all these positions didn't do everything that it required on the field, right? They did their job, and that's what you need to do as from a business standpoint. But I know you're trying to hold on to your money because you haven't got any. This is what you need to do. Kill the lifestyle. Too many people want the lifestyle immediately. So they make a first sale, they want the lifestyle. They want to spend that money. Invest in your business, invest in your people. That way it allows you to grow it a whole heck of a lot faster. But essentially, this is what people do. They go get 10,000. They make 10,000 this month. Let's just say this is for September. They make 10,000 in September, and what they do, 8,000 goes to them. 8,000 goes to the owner, and then at that particular point, the business has 2K. Well, my goodness, this right here traps you in a lifestyle that don't allow you to grow your business. If you was to just pay yourself, say 2K, because literally you did all the work, but you need to grow your business, right? When you grow your business, when you put another zero on this, you got enough money to pay yourself $8,000. But if you're only making 10,000 and you're taking 80% of the profits, that's no good. Uncle Sam's going to make more money than your business does, right? Because you're going to have to pay taxes on this. regardless where you at, 35, 25%, you're gonna have to pay taxes on this. But if you leave it here, Uncle Sam, you'll be able to grow the business, pay other employees, and actually extend your business and ultimately have the business of your lifestyle. But you gotta get away from this person. You gotta get away from the solopreneur. If you're gonna be a solopreneur, you might as well go back and get a job, because I promise you it's gonna be easier. This right here, you're gonna be overworked and underpaid. You go get a job, they're gonna tell you one thing to do, and you're gonna be paid accordingly, right? And then you can go run your own solopreneurship on the side. That way you make a little bit more money, right? But you don't want to be this person. Ultimately, you want to kill this person. You want to kill this person. You want to get to a point in the business where you make some money, not a lot of money. You want to get to a point where you make some money and you can delegate some of the tasks. And the difference between delegating and just throwing it on them is delegating. You give them an actual, you document what you're supposed to do. You tell them what they're supposed to do. You show them what they're supposed to do. And then you allow them to do it, and you give them objectives to hit, right? Goals to hit within that business. So that's delegating. Tasks is just saying, hey, go do this, and expecting them to know what to do. That's just throwing something on them. That's a task. That's like being a boss. But if you want to be a true leader, you need to document everything. You need to show them. You need to walk them through the steps, and then you need to give them objectives and what's to hit while they're doing it, right? So that's what you want to do. Kill this particular guy. That way you can take your business to the next level and ultimately get the business that you want. So this is a little bit of entrepreneurship, one-on-one. I know a lot of you guys have been going through it. If you're a solo entrepreneur, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. I got a VA service, Marge. I'll put the link down below, but she works with you guys. If you guys need an assistant, reach out to me. Part-time assistants are $450. Full-time assistants is $900. But that allows you to go and get somebody to work for you in your business. That's not going to take a lot of money, right? I'm talking about $900 a month. And don't think about it on a year basis. You're thinking about 9 and 12 grand. Don't think about that. Think about it on a month-to-month basis, right? If they're not producing, cut them. Right? That's how we think about it as entrepreneurs. If they're not producing, cut them. Think about it from a 2-month investment, 3-month investment. So we look at this first 10,000, right? We look at this first 10,000. Essentially, it takes you 2,000 to go get an employee for 2 more months, right? I'm pretty sure you took that $2,000 and made 10 grand by yourself. Imagine how much you can make if you delegate 2 grand to an employee, another 2 grand just by yourself again. They clear up some of the tasks, but now you're able to go handle some things that you weren't able, or that you were dropping the ball on before, right? It allows you to free yourself up in your business, essentially allows you to focus on activities that make money, activities that drives your business to the next level. That's what you need to do. So with that being said, like I said again, if you're here to the end of this video, thank you. My name is Jordan again. This is an entrepreneurship, real estate investing platform, personal finance platform. If that's something you're going to be interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm giving you everything I possibly got here, and I want to make sure you're benefiting from it. I want to make sure if you don't have the people that's around you that you want to have around you, the top 5 people, the top 5 people that you're hanging around with, I want to make sure I become one of them. But I can't do it if you don't hit the subscribe, and if you can't hit the notification bell, right? I want to make sure that you get this information on the daily. That way you can take yourself and you can catapult yourself into the next level, right? Now you can be the average of the top 5 people you hang out with. And even if we hang out with each other on YouTube, that's okay with me. I want to see you be better in your life, and ultimately go get the business that you ultimately want. So let's do these things. Kill that old solopreneur, because there's only so much you can do as one person. Let's truly become an entrepreneur. Let's keep winning.